Many people think they don't know what they want in their life. They are not clear on their niche, their passion, purpose of your life. That's why most of the people living in this world live a life of mediocrity. Now, how do you come to the conclusion that you have to do this thing in your life apart from the job you are doing right now? I am sure that no, you are not doing job because you love them, because you have to earn some bread and butter for your family, and that is the reason you are doing job. But somehow in your mind there is a question arising that why I in this life, why I'm born, what is the reason, what is my purpose, my passion, what is the thing, what is the one micro niche that I can be perfect. In this world everyone has something good in their life, in their own self. Now there are multiple things or multiple ways that you can capture that what is your micro niche, what is your niche, what is your comfortable with, what you love to do. There are many ways. In this video I will talk about the one scenario, or you can the uh, one act that you can do or practice today and see that if it helps you to get your know your passion and micro niche in a better way. Simply go to the market and buy any three magazines. I am saying buy, don't borrow it. You have to spend some money on it. Simply go to the market, buy any three magazines, and come home, and then spend next 1 hour seeing and analyzing the magazines you have bought. Why do you have bought those magazines? What are the things that have interested you to buy that magazine? See the things, analyze what are the commonality between all the three magazines that you have bought. What are the things that have attracted you? Now this can be one of your micro niche or a passion. Why? Because you will love to buy the things that you want to do it yourself, that is in you. It can be your micro niche, it can be, I'm not saying that you will definitely find that, but it can be your micro niche because the things you have bought and you love them. Do let me know in the comments below, what do you think about it? Do it helps you to get your micro niche or passion? I'm just waiting for you.